Animal mystery that has a lot of people scratching their heads and grossing them out. The body of this creature washed ashore along the East River. So what exactly is it? Eyewitness News reporter Kimberly Richardson spoke with the woman who first spotted it and joins us live from Lower East Side. Kimberly?
Well, Sade, let's first start with things that wouldn't be too surprising to find here in the East River. Today we spotted a tire, we even saw a bra, and a fisherman who pulled out a crab. But this creature, affectionately named the Manhattan Monster, well, all bets are off.
Well, it's pretty hideous. Is it real?
It's real.
What is it?
One part gross, one part fascinating.
When you live in Chinatown, you definitely see a fair share of like horribly crushed rats and stuff, but nothing, I've never seen anything quite like this.
Denise Ginsley showed me exactly where she spotted it. The mouth was, I saw those big teeth.
Yeah, it has big teeth and then bone exposed where its top jaw should be is just bone, like its teeth are missing.
Lying on its side here in the sand along the East River under the Brooklyn Bridge.
We were like, is that someone's pet dog that fell in the river? And so we started looking more closely and we were like, that's not a dog.
She eventually mustered up the courage to hop over the railing to get a closer look, well within 4 feet, and started taking pictures.
Skin was sort of like, some areas were gray or blue or green, but some were red.
Sort of had a raccoon face, was bloated, but Denise says didn't smell.
Maybe a cat, but then I thought that the body and the legs were a little too much like a rat.
Appropriately named the Manhattan Monster, following in the footsteps of the Montauk Monster from 2008, which officials agreed was a raccoon, was the reason Denise photographed this furless creature.
Like when you take two different flowers and you mutate it maybe, and you put them together,
Yes.
That's kind of what it looks like.
Well, the Parks Department did come and remove it and tells me it is the carcass of a cooked pig.
Someone's barbecue pig that they like threw away. But if it's someone's barbecue, why didn't they eat any of it? You know, like who cooks a pig and then like throws it in the river?
Good question. Denise was with her boyfriend at the time. He's the one that used a stick, a long stick, and turned the creature on its belly. Last check, Parks Department tells me, like its Long Island counterpart, they have gotten rid of the Manhattan Monster for now.